Hello garden lovers! We are wrapping up the summer growing season. This week is nothing but triple digits here at Southern California Gardening, so we're definitely looking forward to the fall growing season. This year we grew some super fun container eggplant varieties that you may want to check out. This super cute little mini pumpkin looking plant is actually a tiny ornamental eggplant. It's used in stir-fry dishes and popular in fall flower arrangements, as they have a nice long vase life. But beware of these thorns on the leaf, they're very sharp. It's called pumpkin on a stick, and we are growing these for fall decorations. They're very easy to grow, but the aphids and spider mites really love them, so you definitely want to keep an eye out and treat them with some Bronner soap and neem oil as soon as you see activity, especially if it's spider mites. They can really destroy the plant quickly. If you live in the northern hemisphere, take notes to grab these seeds for your spring 2023 growing season. If you live in the southern hemisphere, you may want to grab these as soon as possible since your spring season is starting in a couple of weeks. Plant in spring. You should start seeing flowers around July once pollinated, and the pollinators love the cute little purple flowers. Then you should start seeing cute little pumpkin looking nightshade fruits around August through October. All right, we'll head over to another fun container eggplant variety. This next eggplant variety is very compact and perfect for small to medium-sized containers. We grew some beautiful little mini sunflowers in the containers along with the eggplants, and we also grew some cilantro. This is Patio Eggplant. Here is the seed packet information. Look at these cute little small egg-sized eggplants. They start off with a beautiful shiny purplish color that changes as it matures to have beautiful golden stripes. And beware, the spider mites love this variety also, but we periodically spray them with a light application of South Suds and neem oil. And so far this year, we have had no issues with this plant. Here is a better shot of the beautiful purple color. And another great eggplant variety is the Chinese string eggplant. Here is the seed packet information. This plant needs more sun. Turns out this location is shaded a bit too much. Here is last year's plant, much bigger, but what a beautiful variety to grow. Super beautiful purple color. Slice it up, saute it with some butter and garlic, and add your favorite peppery spice. We are always looking for fun fruits and vegetables to grow, and these three varieties have been very fun to grow on our patio this year. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. And remember, something doesn't come from nothing. This is an amazing design. Enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.